Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating where numbering will change. Insert a section break, next page, immediately before the page you want to renumber. Once done, double-click the header or footer area to enter edit mode so you can add or change page numbers. Make sure to check the navigation ribbon. You need independent sections to set different numbering schemes. This step prevents global changes and lets you control numbering for only the new section instead of the whole document. With the header or footer active, choose Insert Page Number and pick a placement that fits your layout. Next, click Page Number Format Page Numbers so you can select numbering style and, crucially, set the start at value to the number you need. This tells Word why the section should begin at that number. Also, make sure to disable Link to Previous in the header and footer toolbar, because linked sections inherit numbering and will override your custom start value. You're almost done. After applying the start value and placement, exit header/footer and update your table of contents so page references match the new numbers. If the title page shouldn't show a number, enable different first page in header and footer tools or delete the number on that section's first page. If something looks off, double-check that your section breaks are correct and that link to previous is disabled. These two are the usual culprits when numbering doesn't behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.